Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and expert coaching with guaranteed success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Today we are going to solve problem number 7, account of a school from the following balance sheet and receipts and payments of New English School Barshi. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2020 and the balance sheet as on that date. See, opening balance sheet is given to you. Capital fund 6,43,000, cash in hand 6,000, cash at bank 10,000, building 4,50,000, furniture 72,000, library books 45,000, computer lab 60,000. Okay, then receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st March 2020. Receipts, see, by balance to balance brought down, cash in hand 6,000, cash at bank 10,000, tuition fees 90,000, term fees 3,000, admission fees 12,000, donations 61,000, to interest received 2,000, to government grants this will be treated as revenue income 1,20,000, sundry receipts 11,000. Now on the payment side, salaries 90,000, library books 14,000, office rent 10,000, printing and stationery 22,000, sundry expenses 12,000, insurance 10,200, sports expenses 8,000, biannual gathering expenses 9,000, buy furniture 50,000, buy repairs 15,000, buy balance carried down, cash in hand 4,800, cash at bank 70,000. Additional information is also given to you. Outstanding salaries 9,000, outstanding tuition fees 15,000, depreciate library books at rupees 9,000 and furniture by rupees 10,000. Okay. Now see, in the books of New English School, I'll write here New English School. New English School. Okay, now we'll start with the sum. Expenditure rupees, income rupees. Okay, in the books of New English School, income and expenditure account, expenditure rupees, income rupees. Now see, first we will see the expenses. To salary, inner column 90,000. Why? Because outstanding salaries amounted to rupees 9,000. So total 99,000. To office rent 10,000. To printing and stationery 22,000. To sundry expenses 12,000. To insurance 10,200. To sports expenses 8,000. To annual gathering expenses 9,000, to repairs 15,000, to depreciation on library books 9,000 is given to you and furniture 10,000 is given to you. Okay. So furniture, we will write here 10,000 and here how much? Library books of rupees 9,000. So here less depreciation. Less depreciation. Now on the income side, see, tuition fees 90,000. Add outstanding tuition fees. They have said in the adjustment 15,000 are outstanding. So total comes to 1,05,000. by term fees 3,000, by administrative fees 12,000, by interest received 2,000, by government grants. If they would have not mentioned in the bracket as revenue, then we would have taken as capital expense. But since they have mentioned, so we are going to take 1,20,000 as revenue revenue income. So if you add up the income side, it comes to 2,53,000. The debit side total comes to 2,04,200. If you minus it from 2,53,000, you will get the surplus amount. Because why surplus? Because expenditure is less. This total comes to only 2,04,200, whereas this total comes to 2,53,000. So there is surplus of 48,800. Is it clear? This will be our surplus. Now we will see the balance sheet. See, balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Capital fund, in the opening balance sheet it is mentioned capital fund of rupees 6,43,000. Add surplus. How much is the surplus? 48,800. So if you add up, it will come to 6,91,800. Now donations they have told to capitalized 61,000. Okay, there is a outstanding salary of rupees 9,000. Okay. Now this is an expense, that is why it is a liability. Okay. Now see, asset side, building 4,50,000. Furniture, opening balance sheet, it is given to you as 72,000. Then in the payment side, furniture is given to you as 50,000. If you add, it will come to 1,22,000. Now less depreciation. Okay. So less depreciation, the amount is also given to you in ready-mades. So you don't have to calculate that. So 10,000 on furniture, so outer column will come to 1,12,000. Library books, as per the opening balance sheet, 45,000. Then on the receipts and payment side, there are library books. So that is new purchases, that is 14,000. So total is 59,000. Now depreciation amount of library books is given to you as 9,000. So 9,000 minus, so outer column 50,000. There is a computer lab of rupees 60,000. Okay. Then cash in hand closing balance 4,800. Cash at bank 70,000. And outstanding tuition fees, which is our asset, which we have to receive, and this we have to make the payment. Expenses means we have to make the payment, and here outstanding tuition fees means we have to receive it. So it is our asset and this is our liability. Both are outstanding, but it is an expense and it is an income. So expense will be written on the liability side and the income will be written on the asset side, 15,000. If you total up the asset side, it will come to 7,61,800. Also the liability side, 7,61,800. Here we have completed the sum. Your total should be equal, assets and liabilities. I hope you have understood the sum.